book. So hope this time you hear. Okay, I bet more na check for Facebook. I don't connect now, I don't come back for Facebook, so more na check whether e dey okay now. Wow, you see the vex person when the volume not dey good. Eh, you come live with some kind, you know, with that spirit. You come dey face some kind things, e get as e dey be. E get as e dey be. Now na dey hear me? E dey okay now? Na just to delete the other one. Is it better now? Please, Mona, help me. Okay. Oh, thank God. So is where now welcome. Na sorry, oh, you know say not be me the not be me be network. Sometimes network go come still do im own. But I beg, Mona just still manage with me. Share the video. Mona share am. If you don share the other one before, I beg no vex, make you try share this one, because that one na you know say not be full this thing e be again. 37 shares now be don get for that one. I beg, Mona reshare am. I beg una. I will just delete that first one. So when I see the topic now, wetin we talk, say the topic na some Africans living abroad are lazy, that is why they are not progressing. Na true abi na lie? That talk wey dem dey talk, e correct? They will use person dey compare im mate. They will use that person dey compare, say the other one wey go which day, mama Janet pikin, mama Rebecca, Timothy mama pikin, oh sorry, mama Janet pikin, Timothy, this and that name they will just dey call. E go abroad which month for here, e don make am. You since how many years you still dey, you never make am. You dey hear all those kind things. Na true say na laziness na im make am. Your mate dey work, you come just lie down, na im dey cause am. Abi you dey try but e never enter. Na wetin we wan talk today. If you know anybody wey dey abroad, tag am for this topic, make the person for come join us. Share am, make the person come join us talk this matter, because many people don get hypertension because of this talk. Some families don break sef because of this issue, because of this kind word. Say you too lazy na make am. You not see the other of our neighbor that time wey go abroad, how many months e take make am? This and you know those kind word. Na we dey wan talk today. Na we wan talk today. Oh, thank una wey don share. God bless una. If you wan join us live, may you call, may you send request, and the number to call now wan still pin for here. I don pin the number for there, so una will call. They will say this person never build house. You never build house. You never marry sef. You never fit train your younger ones for school. You no fit build family house for us. You know, they go dey name many things wey others do, wey the person never do. They say your own come dey different. Na laziness. You no fit nothing. You just dey there. You no fit do anything. You no dey see your mate. You no dey hustle like your mate. All those kind words. you dey hear am. Na true say na laziness. So the person just come abroad, come just sit down, come dey look. Make I just use Europe now wey I dey. Person come just come. Both the one wey pass, maybe he pass for road, Morocco, he cross sea, or even if say na visa, because they go sell land, or they come, he come gather everything wey he get for life, come enter road, come abroad, come reach abroad, come dey sleep. Na so e be. Abi na say e dey try, e never enter for am. E own day never break. Like the one wey dey rain now again, they will say, hey, tell am make cut soap give you. You say you too lazy. Person go come dey abroad for how many years? So e no wan go home. E no wan do wetin mate dey do. E just come dey sleep. Na e mean now. Because this question wey we dey ask so, na people wey dey Africa, especially, na dem dey use this word, this thing now wey I dey ask, na people wey dey Africa, na dem dey use am for people wey dey abroad. So na we say make we come talk this thing. We dey talk of marriage, we dey talk of family, relationship, life issues. Like this one now dey part of life issues, you understand? So we dey talk, not be only marriage. E get things again wey, natural things again wey people dey face, other situations wey people dey face. Just imagine am now, maybe man wey dem tell that kind thing, he marry wife for here, how he go feel? Or him wife for Africa now tell am that kind word, say you too lazy, na make you never make am. So now these things now we wan talk, make people wey dey Africa, if you see people wey dey Africa, omo, just still invite them, send the may e reach their hand. Because this matter is serious. So the matter serious. The matter serious well. Some go enter 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Their life don change. Some enter abroad, just travel. Some go come dey 10 years, 15 years, 20. Some sef, you no fit. You just ask am when he come, he don tell me, because he not just fit count again sef. He never still make am. You say na laziness. You say na laziness na make that person not make am. So na wetin we wan talk. More na write on a comment. Okay, thank you very much. You say we don reshare am. Thank you. Instagram people, una dey hear me? Okay, dem dey hear, dem dey okay. So abeg more na write on a comment for Facebook here, or you call for the number wey dey for screen. For Instagram, the number na 633-154-814. Na Spanish number, so you call am for WhatsApp, or if you dey Spain, you wan still call am direct, you call direct. If you dey any other country, you call am for WhatsApp, you go get am. Or you send request, may we add you, may you sef come drop your own opinion. If you no want make your face show, you no go show. If you no want make your face show, you no go put your face. You block your screen, your camera, just sorry, so you no go show. Then you drop your comments, or you write for WhatsApp. Some people dey write for WhatsApp. Okay, this thing, okay, you say this thing is two ways, but not all are lazy. It will be very difficult for someone to leave Africa and come abroad and be lazy unless there's a home problem. So this person say e dey difficult for somebody, say na two ways things, say some na laziness, say but e dey very difficult for somebody to leave Africa come abroad come dey lazy. Say e dey difficult for somebody to leave Africa come abroad come be say na e come lazy, or let's say e get family problem. Na im be say village people dey follow am, na dem just weaken all im bone weaken am, e no come fit hustle, e no come fit do anything. Once say please leave it, some people are lazy. If they like they go where Queen Elizabeth is sharing money, they can't pick. Some people are just born lazy. Okay, this person say some people dey very lazy, say even if dem go where Queen Elizabeth for the share money sef, those kind people dem no go fit pick. E don turn to Cubana home. You go get people wey still go that party, dem no fit pick. Ewo, e say some people dey lazy, so even if dem go where Queen Elizabeth for the pour money, dem no fit pick. E just lazy. Na why? So this one dey talk say na laziness na im wholesome. There is nothing like laziness in this issue. It takes destiny for someone to make it anywhere you are. He say this person talk say nothing like laziness for this issue. Say it take destiny for you to make am anywhere where you dey. So wetin dey use am mean be say anywhere where you dey, say you are destined to make it, you are destined to be rich, you go reach. Na wetin this person dey talk. Okay, e say anywhere where you dey, if your destiny dey to make am, you go make am. Okay, the topic is very important. It's not necessary that they are lazy. In some cases there is no job for them depending on the country they are, and also documents too. Document is very important in abroad. You see, e say no be say na laziness. Say some cases na no job for the country where dem dey, and some na document. Because document dey important, because na one issue person enter country, you never fit get document. That document own dey very very important, wey the person no get am, to move go dey difficult for the person. E get some kind movement wey e no fit move, wey be say e for give am money. E get some kind things wey e suppose, wey e go fit do, wey be say e go give am money. Some people document dey hinder them. And I know say e get person now wey go say what of the one wey no get document wey dey make am? You know say this life wey we dey so, wetin work for you fit not work for me. You understand? So this comment wey this person drop, so e dey very nice too. Say some people na job no dey for where dem dey, the kind job wey dem go do, some because of the language dem no fit work for that place wey dem wan work. So that one me no too talk, ma for no go add my own one wey I wan talk later. So na wetin dem write na dey try explain. Okay. The people around you matters in abroad. The people around you matters in abroad. The message. The people around you matters in abroad. because there is a saying, show me your friends, I will tell you who you are. Okay, you say people wey you dey follow, the group wey you dey, that's the kind people wey you dey follow for the abroad, dey matter. Na im be that one dey say show me your friends, I will tell you who you are. Say e depend the kind people. That means if na people wey be say their eye dey chook for money, dem go ginger you, dem go motivate you to do same. If na people wey be say all their own na just wake up, find this thing, government house go eat, or all those kind thing, you know, na that one e just dey there, you know, they no mind them. Say you go still follow those people like that. Say people wey you move with, or wey you dey move with, matters a lot for abroad. Na so e still dey for Africa. Everywhere, if the kind people you dey follow, they no dey ginger their swagger, they no be those kind people wey their eye dey chook, they no go still send you too. Na go come still relax. Na wetin the comment. So doctor say some people lazy, na im make am, even if Queen Elizabeth dey share money, they no fit even pick, they just lazy. Say the other one talk say no be say na laziness, sometimes na document issue or job no dey where dem dey. One other one come talk say na destiny. E depend your destiny. Anywhere where you dey, you go make am. If you are destined to make it, you are destined to be rich. Not be small that comment. E really harsh. He say even if Queen Elizabeth dey share money, he say they no go even still fit pick. Wow. Instagram, I no dey see una comment o. I no dey see una comment. Una drop on a comment. Okay. How can somebody leave Africa, even pass through road, suffer for many months to get there, and you say it's laziness that make the person not to make it? Some people use harsh words for us living abroad. Those in Africa don't understand what we face sometimes. This person he say how person go leave Africa, come abroad, pass road, stay months for road. The come talk say na e come na come lazy for the abroad. Say sometimes people wey dey Africa dey use harsh words for us wey dey abroad. Say e no good. Say dem dey use harsh words. Say person leave Africa, come abroad, come just lazy. Say even pass road, you know wetin e be? Pass for desert, pass for forest, pass for sea, come lazy, e no fit work. Or even sef dem come even carry dem sell land, e buy flight, e take flight na come, e no pass road, e come just lazy. Or na im just still gather im money wey e get, because if the Africa too good, that person no go comot o. You know that one. If the Africa dey good for am, I'm not sure say na visit you go dey visit, because of course people dey wey dey visit, they will just come stay small, they just come, maybe dem get holiday, they will just come see groove go. Me dey see many people like that. Yes. So who get go like come, e go just stay few months, e go back. But the one wey dey stay come live there for years, na we dey talk. like some, not be only say come Europe, come Canada, some African this thing countries too where people dey go. You see person he travel go South Africa, you see person he travel go these Arab countries, because say he never make am, others dey make am, they go come take am say the person lazy. The person go dey years, the one wey just come na go just make am, you go say that person lazy. Is it true that that person is lazy? Come leave Africa, come just come stay for another man country, live in country, come just go another man country, go stay, come dey sleep, come just dey carry am, come just dey catch am, just relax. He no wan work, he see work, he no wan work, he see who go that is way you go take make am, he no wan make am. Na e be na the person come abroad, he no wan make am. Na e just me. Na be the words wey dem go use say this person come abroad, he no wan make am. Na be just the word. This question now dey ask, na be we wan talk am now say some people go abroad, they no wan make am. True or false? Na so the question just wan be now. Because when you say somebody dey lazy, na make am not progress. Me don hear many people dey talk am. They will say he lazy, na make am no make am. This topic dey push me, make I talk my own for inside this matter. I don make one video, the truth about abroad life, living abroad. I don make one video like that. If you go for my YouTube, you go see am for there. BB Concept, you will see that video. You go hear some things wey I talk, the truth about abroad life. You go see am. You know some things wey go make you go understand this topic wey dey make. And e get some people wey still write this thing come, wey recently dem get some issues like this, so they say make I treat the matter too. Na all of them still make me come out for here say make we talk am. As I dey talk my own, you dey drop your own opinion for the matter. So me na wan just go into my own wetin I think for this matter, because this word wey they say some Africans living abroad are lazy, some people too lazy. He lazy, na him make am. He dey abroad, he lazy, na him make am never make am. Some people are lazy, you show them way, they will refuse to follow your way, saying God's time is the best. Okay, he say some people, somebody just write comment, he say some people you go show them way for their abroad. He say some lazy, yeah, say because you go show them way, they go just tell you say say that God's time is the best, now then they wait. The one way you show way you say God's time is the best, maybe the person don't think I say that the God's time na be that one. But one thing again, it still depend wetin you still show the person. We no just judge one side. Depend wetin you still show the person, wey the person tell you say this kind thing I can't risk it, I can't risk my life, or I can't, you understand, it still dey two ways. So but e get wetin you go still be, wey be say you wey dem show, you go know say na the God's time na e don still come. But all the same, like I point out 3 things wey dey for this matter. One na destiny to progress for abroad. Your destiny matters. To progress anywhere for the world sef, for this life, your destiny first of all, like wetin that person comment, your destiny matters a lot. That destiny go with grace. Na be your grace wey you get, the favor wey you get, all of them dey inside this destiny. So wey I mention, number 1, to make am for the abroad. Destiny dey, because that thing wey they say laziness, I not really see am say laziness do some. I go still point out some kind areas where you can't look lazy, but laziness not be the main thing wey make some people not make am for abroad. That laziness. Two, because number one, I say destiny. Number two, people wey you meet for the abroad first time wey you enter matter. People wey you meet, I won't name them, then I go explain. People wey you meet first time wey you enter the country wey you enter, the abroad, e matter. Then number three, family matter. You see these three things why I name? I say destiny, your destiny, the people wey you meet, and your family. So that number one, why I say your destiny, person wey tell the person now, you there abroad how many years, your mates don't make am, you not fit make am. Who they tell the person dey Africa, or you they tell another person say wey dey abroad, see so person don't make am, this one just go how many months he don't make am, this one go how many years he just make am. You don't dey since now, nothing to write home about, nothing, you not get nothing. You can't tell person like you that word like that. I know say some people for Africa now, where they watch this video, some go they offended, say they don't use this kind of word. If you don't use this kind of word for person with that abroad, I go advise say if you call that person, tell and say sorry for that word wey you use, because they very painful. Because Dangote not go abroad, na the Nigeria na for make am, you never make am. Not be only Dangote, many people, all these Cubana, with the sha Cubana not talk his story. You not watch Obi Cubana, go watch an interview. Abuja na he stay making life. Abuja na Nigeria, not be abroad. You wey dey Ghana, they call your person wey dey abroad, they tell am. People dey Kumasi, abi wetin they call na place for there, they make am. You dey Cameroon, o, people dey Douala, dey other places, they make am. Na Kenya you dey, o, if na South Africa, anywhere where you dey, people dey that place, they make am big time, they make am pass person wey dey abroad. You dey there, you never make am. Na laziness hold you. This video, that's why I start and I say it go dey very sensitive. Because the way then they throw the bomb, they give people wey dey abroad. Now so people see dey Africa, they make am. Yes, destiny. No man can change that, and neither can any country change it at all. That number one, destiny. If the person dey destined to make am for the abroad, you go make am. You get people where I know, one or two persons where I don't know, where we say he dey abroad for how many years, he not make am. He dey go government house, go dey eat government house. He can't use his hand package himself, can't go back to Africa where for come say make poverty not kill am for the abroad. He reach for Africa, he make am. Those years where he spent for abroad now na waste. You reach for Africa, he come make am. Your destiny matters a lot. You see people, I mentioned some people where make am for Africa, and na the ones where we say, social media they carry. And I don't name them all. I just pick the one where we say they popular. Like this Obi Cubana, now just the rain for everybody mad. Some don't even change their name to Obi Cubana. They don't change them to Cubana. They reject their papa name self when they answer Cubana. Now that one now, some people they do. Now where if for making money? If you never watch the interview, go check out. Now that's Africa, that Nigeria where they run from. Now you making money. Many people make am too for there. So if you dey tell person wey come abroad you no fit make am like the person wey you know wey make am, make you sef still think am, because sometimes na when the person never send for you or he never do wetin you want, na all this kind word dey come out. Some people dey send money from Africa dey give their person for abroad. Somebody go dey watch this video now, you go say God forbid, God forbid o, I go send money give person wey dey abroad. Because say dem keep money for there wey dey pluck. Anybody make am, una be family member, anybody make am for where you dey help the other person, and so life just dey. You make am for Africa, help the one wey be try to go abroad wey never make am. The one wey dey abroad make am, you help the one wey dey Africa wey never make am. Na so e just be. Because if you are not destined to make it, Bible say there will be poor among you. There must be poor. Poor people go die among us, but we pray say we no go die among the poor. But Bible talk am say poor people go die among us. So destiny matters. Yes, the truth have someone that stayed abroad for 18 years and he wasn't able to achieve any, but immediately he was deported back to Africa. Less than 5 years, he built his house and now has a business in Africa. You see? He dey abroad for 18 years, he not make am. He go back to Africa, only 5 years he make am. Many people still dey like that. And some, the time wey dem go take make am never reach. Some, the time wey dem want, wey dem go take make am. Everything for life, there is time for everything. Bible talk am. Season for everything. Time and season. That time wey you dey say, that person suppose make am, e suppose blow. Na you create am, no be you. So you no know. You fit tell am that word finish, tomorrow you make am. You go come think say, na wetin I tell am na im ginger am. Na the time wey you want to happen, na it happen. Not where you ginger, because you for don use that word ginger yourself. Yes, for that word for don ginger you too. That word for don ginger you. No mind the way we dey talk to our people wey dey abroad. Yes, because dey very very painful. E dey very very painful when you tell person that kind word. You no know im destiny. No be because say e travel go abroad na im be say e must make am. We pray say anywhere wey we dey may e favour us. But na destiny. If it's not your destiny, it's not your destiny. You go try wetin your mates dey do, wey dem go just go do once, dem don hammer, or dem go go, you go go that interview sef, or you go go that place, dem go take person wey you no expect. You go get all the credentials, everything. Dem go tell you say no, not be you, because your destiny no dey there. Now they ask your own, why your own dey different? Why your own dey different? Africa no good, Africa no good. People are making it there. You try make am. If your own not dey different. Africa is too hard. Africa is too hard. And that's wetin happen for Obi Kubana mama burial. How many Americano? How many Europeans? People wey travel abroad don't do that kind burial. No, may we just dey real to ourselves. How many una don see like that? We do one. I know some go say, you want use ritualist say compare. They tell you say people that abroad no dey do ritual. Because now so some go just put am. All those ones now this is like that. Now like this they come do and not be pure money, not be this one. People wey dey abroad nko, they no dey do. How many don't fit do that kind of thing? So if May we just get that number one, say destiny matter, not be the person say he lazy or he not lazy na him make am, no come make am or he not make am. They'll say not follow him mates. He mates the hustle. Wabambo guys, abambo guys they hustle. Their eye they chook, their eye they red. Now make them make am. He just did there. Babes eye they chook, then they connect. He just did there. Nothing way if you do. Just he just babes not dey the Africa they make am. Why you never make am? Guys not dey the Africa they make am. Why you not make am? You just tell person anything wey sweet you. Say you too lazy na cause am. Destiny na be number one. Anything to make am for life. Okay, somebody will just come on live. Your name, somebody will just watch. Your name na Destiny. Just that your name, eh? It matter well for life. Oh, without destiny, say if your destiny not be say you go make am. You see this question where they there. So some Africans living abroad, are they lazy? Then lazy, that mean they never make am. Some people live abroad. If your destiny not there to make am, you know if you make am. And so it dey. Then the number two, the people where you meet when you come for that country where you go. If na farmers you meet for that country, because wetin they know na to go farm, they go tell you say na wetin they do na im be the best na wetin, because na wetin person know na he go tell you. No say e go hard, you go join them for that farm. You understand? You meet the person na wetin they call am guy they do yahoo or anyone, he go tell you say na him better pass, so you go join. You meet am say na prostitution ash work they do, he go tell you say make you try and say na wetin you meet person they do for abroad where you go. Most times na him, unless say you be that person wey be say you sabi fine art when you chop water, now you go fit comot for that hand. If not, e dey hard, because when you first dey do I no get document, my first hide myself, I don't know anybody for here, my dey careful, I don't know the one wey go carry me go sell, I don't know the one wey go talk, I don't know man no enter problem. You come first day for there, they do wetin that person wey you meet dey do. Most times e dey like that, unless say you be that person wey get strong spirit. You say na my own way I go find, na you go fit too. So it matters. If na the one wey be say it's a big government house, carry plate, you go just dress, they don't break, you don't dey find where they for the share things, where government for the give food. That kind of person say na you meet, you go first join am, because the one way he go bring that the way you come, una go eat am. Then the next day you need to follow am na go bring the one way you go eat. You understand that kind of thing? So before you know na, months don dey pass, years don dey pass, wey take dey go government house to government house dey find help. You understand where that one still dey, wey e come affect, e come be say na who you meet for the abroad. E matter well, e dey affect. If the person, as they say, lazy, say na person wey be say I can't put up na our place, they say e no fit do. Some now we can't use church cover eye. Say I believe say my they go service every day, they do prayer and fasting, now you go take better, you know, go find work. If na that kind of person you still meet, you see and say una still dey inside that prayer and fasting, you na go still join. Na so e be, because you no fit dey go church, you go come still dey house. I no say church no good o, no quote me wrong, me I be church person, I no say church no good, but wetin I dey talk be say, if na person wey be say e no go find work 24 hours 7 days a week, na church e dey do evangelism, e no get time wey say I wan go work. No be say na him be even pastor, even if say na him be the pastor sef, say money no dey, you go still find something doing. You understand? If na that kind person you meet, you know say this place wey dem dey talk, dem go can't you join, because you no fit do anything. Na way of the person wey you meet when you come for country, most times na you dey follow wetin that person dey do, wetin those people dey do wey dey around you wey you meet. Because you no fit just come out now, person wey welcome you come the house, you na don enter street, e go take you time before you come dey enter street, you come dey meet people. So that time wey you still dey inside a house, person wey dey accommodate you or person wey receive you, all those kind thing, person wey you first know, those communication wey the person dey communicate, wetin you dey do, na you sef go first dey time say, just show me this your way, make I take manage, make I take start. Na there most people dey end up for doing that thing of the person wey dem come meet, the kind thing wey dey do. So na be the two things wey I don mention. I say first thing na your destiny. If you are destined to make it for abroad, you go make am. You are destined to make it in Africa, you will make it. E no be laziness. You go try, you do wetin your mate dey do, e no work, you know say my destiny no dey here. No be say the person lazy, but people wey dey Africa now go dey see am say, hey, this person lazy. E don try do wetin mate dey do, e no work. So na be that destiny wey we dey talk, say destiny matters. If you are destined to make it in that place, you will make it. The people wey you meet, if you meet the wrong people, you go the wrong way. Before you go get yourself, e go hard. Or let's say na be that destiny wey we dey talk again, e go constantly push you meet that time wey you just come, you go come just meet correct person wey go just still show you the way wey be say e destined for you to make am. If not, you fit stay 10 years for abroad, before you go even come say, this kind thing dey, na this kind thing una take dey make money. E dey like that. You come meet that right person wey go come show you the way. E dey like that. 10 years don go, 15 years don go, 5 years don go. You understand? So the third one na family. Because this lazy wey dem call me, dey mention things wey make people no dey progress for their abroad. No be laziness. Your destiny no work, you no go progress. If you are not destined to make it, you no go make am. If the people wey you come meet na yeye, they no know any way, they no, you go be like them. Then family dey. As I mention family, some mind go say na im be, maybe if your family dem get witch people full am, one problem. No be that area safe. That one join, but not be that area. I say my first talk am because I know some people mind, as I don't call family, they say, family problem. Me no today that not be that area. Yes, family problem dey. I not say family problem not dey. Yes, there is evil, there is good. But the one why they talk be, e get some family wey be say they no go let you go front. Not be say na witchcraft. Today, this home problem, breeze blow, zinc e comot. This one do, this one that. Grandmama come dey climb stairs, na e fall. Na just different story every day. You no know wetin that your brother or your sister dey work for the abroad. You una just heap problem for the person. I want a blow now. I want to make am. I want to gather the money. Problem pass money wey they make. Because some people believe say when person don't go abroad, it don't become wetin dem wan call am, e just be like say messiah of our time, of the family. Some family, their problem no dey finish. Dem see say you just try, even maybe the person now just get small, come just say, oh, may e help this one. All the problem, all of them go just face the person. Na there some more this word dey come out. This one, he help almost 10 of him family members. He do like this, he do like that. Na there all this kind of words dey come out. You too lazy, na make you never make am. Some family no dey encouraging. They no go even remember you for prayer. If na juju you dey do sef, you no go even remember say, oh, may you go do juju make this person progress. Na only to carry phone. See as e be o. We need money for this kind of thing. I need money for this. Tomorrow the person not give you, you say you lazy. Or you go crown yourself with wickedness. Some families. Some families not know wetin the person dey pass through. You go just use, they go just even dey swear for the person, join the one wey e dey. They don't know say this person, he never make am. Na him make am dey like this. He still dey manage. Some na you go see some people, you go hear, this guy dey abroad or this girl dey abroad for many years. He never build house, he never do this one. Some na family wey e dey send money give them, make dem keep. Tomorrow ask them where the money, where you see am. And those kind of family now, they go come out, get mouth. No mind now. How much you say now you give me self? How much you give my hoe for her? Not be mate, they keep so. Abroad not easy, oh. Abroad not easy. Remove say you dey see fine house, so not be your person builder. Abroad not easy. The one wey make am, the way people still dey Africa dey make am, and so that one still come abroad come make am. They'll say there's yes, there is opportunity abroad. Now in mama land, especially country wey be say you know they speak their language, you go first come learn the language. No, na dey check am. You go first learn the language, oh. Because anywhere where you want work, now the language you need to speak am. Even if self say na that thing wey you get for mind, say you know they go sell market, sell drug, do all those kind of things. Wetin want to even first approach who you want give. I want to hear say na the thing the person dey find for in hand, even if you want even do am. And this same person now go come get problem, maybe he can't go prison or anything. You see, no man, na that kind of thing you go dey do. People that abroad they pass through many things, so the least wey they expect from anybody from Africa, the least wey they expect na this kind of word. Too lazy na make you never make am. If you not make am for that, why you not come back? If you not let you stay, why you never come back? All those kind harsh words, they no need them. Some people don't use mouth to kill their people for year. You will hear say your person die for year. You see, they don't kill that. Sometimes now the problem most of them where they die now this thing, high blood pressure. Wetin they bring up? People where they home. Because if na here, na small you go think. People where they home call from family members. Words where they use. The one we marry for home, dem go come give am another talk. Dem go dey do conference meeting for am. Call. No. Many people wey dey abroad wey stress dey worry. The stress no be the stress for the place wey dem dey really, na people for home. How dem dey survive, na wetin dem go talk. All those things mainly na im dey disturb. So make we just take am easy. Make we just take am easy o. Dey use all this kind word on person, family members, because friends no dey too bold to tell you that kind word, this kind word now. Tell you say you too lazy na make family members. Na make me put family members as that number 3. Say family. They go give them something, say, hey, help me, they keep am, make we take do something. Story go enter. Tomorrow you go say the person lazy. Other people go believe now because they don't know anything happen. Some go even suffer the thing finish sef. Time wey they want to even eat am sef, na that time they will come know say this person na e don become enemy. The thing wey I just see for this abroad, most times when person, if you get one enemy before when you dey Africa, when you travel abroad, e go double, and the problem sef go come triple your problem, because both the one wey you no know from Adam na that time e go come dey reconnect to you, come dey become family member, come dey become you know that time wey you dey grow, I do like this, I do like that. Problem go come plenty for the person. The one wey the person small wey fit do now, you go say, hey, this person he lazy, na me cannot fit meet up, or this person he wetin dey say the person is stingy, the person he do like that. No. Come say that one come back, you just come back, you go how many months or how many years, you don come build mansion, do the thing. Sometimes still dey ask, if you dey ask, tell the person wey dey there abroad, say, why you not ask your mate wetin dem dey do, tell me. Make you sef still dey ask the people, that person wey make am, im family member, wetin una do una person take make am. Una still dey remember ask that one. Some of una wey dey still use all this kind word for una person, still ask that person wey make am, im family member, abeg wetin you do wey your person take blow. Not be only to call your person and say, you no see that one, ask am wetin you do wey you take make am. Make you sef still find out. Because if dem say make dem turn am, some go say like say na me dey there abroad. Dem talk am say who no dey house na im dey fight pass. Who no dey house when dem fight. When e come back na im like say I dey, wetin I for do. Wetin you for do? Nothing. Na im dey be superhero. Afo. If you too strong to make am, because for here dem no dey share money, you still need to go work, you still need to make connections wey be say for that Africa, that Nigeria, na so the connection is still dey. They say people dey Africa dey do ritual, dey do this one. And then you say people not dey abroad still dey do am. Make dem for still make the money. Not wey dey Africa wey not everything, just to still make this same money. Na im make some no dey even still bother. They will say no need to come. They will just do their thing, wetin they want do. That market, all those things, all those crime and all of them, as e dey for the abroad na so e still dey for Africa dey. So if you dey use that word say laziness, na make some of them not make am. Let me say you too still lazy because people dey Africa they still dey make am. You understand that kind thing? People still dey Africa dey make am. Na still that laziness. Unless say na the one wey be say e no wan work, e still work, e no wan work. Work for everywhere. E can't be say hey, you know, na there you dey say hey, oh, this person they will count you out. And e dey rare before you go see that kind person work real day oh. Because not everybody like to go farm. As he still dey for Africa, not everybody like to go farm. Not everybody like to go wetin they call am, go dey do bricklayer work. Na be the one wey dey call construction for here. Bricklayer work for abroad. Not be everybody like to still do am. Some go still want maybe at least something wey they go work for inside house, take care of old people, do you know. If not to do like e go come like house help, all those kind thing. Some so na be the thing you say work full, I fit do anything even if not to carry shit, if not to do this, they go just dey the Africa they make mouth, some of them. Good evening ma, welcome. You are blessed ma, welcome. So the thing why I name out, why I say not be say laziness na make some people not make am for their abroad. Destiny dey. If you are not destined to make it, you no go make am. If you are not destined to meet the right people wey go connect you, you no go make am. People wey you meet when you enter matter. If you meet the wrong people, you go before you go make am, e go hard. Before you go come reconnect yourself, years don pass. Then I come say family members, they still make person not make am. The kind family wey you get, they will list down their problem for one person before you go solve reach number 2 sef. Maybe in 10 years salary sef, you don't even oh God. Some they go person go they save for them for their hand. That one another topic, because e get one story where I hear recently. Now say this thing dey happen upon all the thing wey they don use an art movie, where they don talk everything. Your family member go trust you, come dey save all the money wey dey work for abroad for your hand. The next thing you come dey drag am with am. People are heartless. Your blood, your person, you come wan claim am for am. All in sweat wey you don suffer for years, because say entrust am on you, say oh, this person na my brother, this person na my sister, this person na my mama, this person na my papa. Or even come say oh, you not trust in people like that, say may I trust this my friend, na my very close friend. You can't trust you, give you say oh, they keep am for me. Tomorrow you come dey tell am say wait, you give me anything. Or you go even dey tell am say you give me but I no go give you. Do wetin you wan do. I think say na olden days time, that those time where I small now dey hear all those story. I don't know say e still dey up till now. So upon all this civilization, people are still wicked like this. Okay, that kind of person now say you don't know the story, you can't see this kind of person now, you can't say this person lazy, na me can never make am. You don't know so the one way you don't do, where you don't suffer since they don't family don't chop am. Some families are not encouraging at all. Some no sabi manage. The person brings small, take that small the person send small. Now the small way e get, no be say because say this one hammer, this one don hammer, the other one must hammer. No dey use another person family dey compare your person. No dey use another person dey compare your family. Say okay. Oh, the comment and this. Let me check from here. Comments don dey. No say this topic e dey very sensitive. It just dey make me dey somehow emotional, because some people dey abroad dey suffer. They will just take am like say hey, the person dey abroad you just dey enjoy. E just dey there forget him family. Some people are suffering. Remove say you go come wear better cloth, you call snap picture. Some na cloth wey they don wear remain wey dem dey keep for road. You get one this way that they keep boss like that, they will keep am say when you get a cloth where you don't use, instead of to throw am for dustbin where then they throw all these food remains, so those things, you get special this thing to drop clothes. Government still just do am. Some people go carry am go wash am, put am for charity store. Sometimes if na dash for some wey go come, they not put am to sell. Anything you get, you drop, take the cloth. Sometimes if you guys the person go talk say, hey, you not get anything, they will tell say take that cloth. You can see that kind of person. Sometimes some people go come wear that kind of cloth now, because some not be cloth wey just spoil. Maybe the person you just still get body pass am. Or you know some rich people now, you want just change him wardrobe. You can see your person come wear. I know they say na everybody, but they mention some situation make you more na people in Africa understand sometimes situation where some dey face for their abroad. Not be say you don't reach abroad, you don't become heaven. The person that will come wear that kind of clothes, come snap picture, come stand for picture, you go say hey, this person they enjoy. They not judge another person, not use person compare your mates. Because if we say when we dey compare ourselves, you too wey dey tell person say you no make am for abroad, you go make am for Africa. As I talk, Obi Cubana, Abuja, na him for make am. If na lie wetin I dey talk, make somebody write am for the comment section. Yes, all fingers are not equal. Thank you very much. All fingers are not equal. All fingers are not equal. He say yes, so I'm on it now, my dear. So tell them for us. Yes. All fingers are not equal. He lazy. Sometimes they go forget the one way the person don't do. That time where he make am. Because you get sometimes you go be like say that wet just come again, that favor just come, the person come make am for some period of time, he come dey give. When he not come get again, or maybe he come born children now, he get responsibility, he not come feed the meat ahead. That way they will just call am kpanga, he don't give, or age don't still dey go. You know, see, they go forget the one way he don't do before. You wait dey one make them help you. How many people you don't help? Let's be real. The same head where you get, now you get. Because many people they die for abroad out of heart attack, heart problem, high BP, where people in Africa they give them. They lose young people for here. Before you hear high blood pressure, now they worry, BP, now they sick. BP just full everywhere. And on the way, some of them they complain for the Africa, they look good, they okay. But if you reach the time when I won't call that on a person, hi, I know where I want die now. You wan kill am, you wan kill the person. You see some people never see food chop, dem no hold shishi. You go dey close to that person, you go see call wey you go receive. See that money wey we tell you, you go try bring am o. If you no bring am, how we go do? Abeg make you try bring am. I no get credit. Igbanga, your person dey here stressed. Abeg make we dey get love. The way wey dey hard to live for Africa, e dey hard for abroad. Change country now. If that's your country now, we change country. Who you don't go anyone? Which one you go where you know way good? With Africa, they tell person, if that country they not good, go another one now. People they I hear say people they make them for Holland, leave Spain. I hear say people they make them for Canada, leave UK. I hear say people you just the Africa. People not they make am you if na my use if na Kano you dey change go Abuja. If na Lagos you dey change go Port Harcourt. Wetin? Enough. It's too much. People are dying. But because of all this kind of talk and laziness, you're lazy for the abroad. No fit do wetin mate dey do. You dey here for UK. The kind death wey we dey hear na, e just stay, e just fall, e die. E no dey sick o. Most people wey I don hear wey dem dey say e die for UK, na e just slump, e just fall, just like that, don go. Because most of them dey work almost 5 jobs. You go come back from this one, I don go another one. Oh, excuse me, abeg, my son. Just like say no say I don't dey too emotional. The distraction is good. God, no, really. Many people you go hear say person dey UK dey. How many jobs they do? Sometimes husband and wife not they see each other. This one they come, this one they go. Work just to meet up living first for their own place, not to talk of to come send for Africa. So we just come back for this work. The next 1 hour they need to go another work just to meet up their bills and to meet up your own. You with Africa too. That small way go send out of waiting he gets. You can see, just now that one, now this one is send, and that one is send. I bet I need 100,000 for day. I need 200. Because they call money like that. Like the person where I come and say, some people lazy. Even if Queen Elizabeth they spray money, they no fit pick. I laugh that time, but that word to use them for person that abroad, and I really look this person really that abroad. Say some people lazy, even if the Queen Elizabeth they spray money, no office. Person leave Africa. Like the other person I analyze, and he leave Africa from some pass road, some sell wetin dem get, come abroad, or to come to dey lazy. Now your mind just tell you say this person come abroad just to dey lazy because say he never meet up. Abroad no easy. The way where Africa no easy. Remove say na abroad oyibo people dey here, light dey dey 24 hours. You no fit just go open shop like that without document. You no fit just go dey work like that without document. But there in Africa, you go fit open any shop where you like. You fit use zinc, just knack zinc, you don't get shop. Oh. Self-employed don't start with that. But for abroad, you not fit like that. Yes. Many ways to make money for the Africa. I go do video when we talk ways to make money in Africa. May you hear ideas. If in case you not get ideas to make for Africa, make people still give. You see person they say pure water for Africa. They say this person they suffer. Yes, not be life where person wish to hawk. But for abroad, you don't go where you want hawk now. Even okay. In France, okay. You see somebody's right in France. See, now me say just why this person say in France. Some that hawking what they talk now. Say people they hawk. Some people they in France they hawk. They roast corn. You see as people they stand for Africa for street they roast corn. France, abroad France, not be African country where they speak French. France where you know, Paris, France. People, blacks they roast corn and pay. They roast suya. They bluff with charcoal abroad. Obodo Igbo. So I beg, when I see the Africa, if you don't ever use that word for persuade abroad, say you are lazy, that's why you are not making it, you're not making. Call that person, tell her sorry. Because if you say still check them, like which I talk before, I see they repeat that. Cubana them, Dangote them, they make them for the Africa, for that Nigeria, and they for make them. Why you never make them? They not get too head though. And one like you too, now they get them. Now they make them for that. Africa way hard. All of us they run, they live. People, I not call names, many. You know now, you the Africa. Me with the abroad, I know they current. So you the Africa, you the hear them. Ask them how them to make them. The way they tell your person with that abroad, say me ask him mates. That one way go only 1 year, you don't make them. Ask them how they make them. You with the Africa. Ask Cubana them how they make them. Ask other people how they make them. Grace is different. Yes, grace different. Grace different. Some people die abroad, I said talk before, they're not destined to die abroad. I talk her now, say some people go. Somebody still write down for comments. Say you get people if you say somebody stay 18 years, he go back to Africa, he can't make her. After 5 years, we go back. So everybody gets where they feel make her. Say your person never make her for abroad, not me say he lazy. And there is time for everything. Say he did 10 years for abroad, he never make her. He did 15 years, any year where you want put, say now he did not make her. The right time will come. Some people don't stay many years. Now they just get only small connection where they will just get. They don't make her. The right time. Time for you to put na laziness. The abroad not good for you. Why you not come back? May you come back. May you come back, may you laugh fam. Go watch that my video where I make. The truth about abroad life. The truth about abroad life. For BB Concepts, YouTube, my channel. Go check am. You go hear things what I talk for that video. May you come back, may you laugh am. Abroad not good, why you still there? You use hypertension killer now. Now you go first and say, you not fit make am for abroad. You don't come here now, come they follow me, they drag Gary. Only that word alone. You know waiting come up for that person body. That Gary go enter him body. Even the one where be say na him come visit home. He can't stay. He don't they stay 6 months. Maybe you not come to they do that in they, you know, to not to they spend. You see now they go they come now. You sure say they ever importance. You sure say now just come now. Oh God. Mama, how do you know these things? I don't know. No, me right from time when I small, I did where people wey dey go abroad dey, you understand. So my mom right from time na person wey dey travel abroad, so all these things she get friends wey dey go abroad, so all these things I don dey hear am even before me sef come. I don hear things, you understand. Dem come dey pick that person. You sure say na only visit this person come visit, so e don dey stay o, and im hand not too dey flow again like before. You sure say no be deport until that person go fit go back. Na dem come say okay, na true, e fit still go back. Our government no good, our government no good. Individually we wicked o. Wicked. No, dey try appreciate one another. They don help this one. That person don enter zoba, he must help me. Na because say he love that one pass, na him make am. No, life na one after the other. Instead of to share that thing, take give everybody. Heap that thing one person first. That one stand. Una don dey two-way stand. Una help another person. Say you come carry that money, they do and change. Everybody, you go do that you go run that. So when you hear say a family member bring us something reasonable, help the other person, not take and say, hey, you no love me, na make am. They not fit, you not fit give that same thing to everybody. So now one person go first give. Small, you still dey pray, they support that person wey dey help. We pray everything where you know say idea everything. They will get 2 rich people, 3 rich people for family. Not be na how to run the person down. Now you go dey you. They don't help this one now. I think in now with that abroad, now this person I help. Oh yeah, now make that person come progress. My see. Oh, everybody go remember now. Who then they call poor family, and you are among the poor family. And so your person go suffer finish for abroad, carry money give you. Oh, keep for me. Tomorrow you go dey give am story. You come out for social media, they say you be rich person, I'm a rich man, I'm a rich woman. With another person sweat. They will come, they see that your person with their brother as lazy person. That person, they don't know say that you carry all in wet, sit down on top now. They form hero. You know, so if na first time when you come across this our live video, we dey talk about marriage, we dey talk about relationship, family, we dey talk about life issues. So today you come across this one, it might not be like that tomorrow. So we dey talk many topics. So may you follow us for our page, Breather Concepts, Instagram too, Breather Concepts. We dey live right now too for Instagram. So may you follow us for there. For YouTube na BB Concept. So may you see go subscribe for there. We dey upload video once in a while. But as I dey talk, I dey try make I dey live too for there. By God's grace, very soon. I go dey live too the same time for YouTube. We get Twitter too. So na still Breather Concept. No only YouTube na be BB Concept. And e get why. So make una try follow us for all our platforms. We dey talk interesting topics, things wey be say e dey touch life. Na the reality of life na we dey talk. You wan create the life you love to live, na we dey create for here, and by the grace of God na we take dey do am. So na make today topic na, you see, e no dey for marriage area. This one na just dey for normal life issues wey people, na abroad people issue now we dey, wey them, we are the people in Africa they face. So now we dey today. So may you still follow us. If you get something you want me to talk about, still write us. Write me for Messenger or for Instagram. They still write me. Email me too. Okay. And they try add you. Sorry, person they distract me. Say my add. They try add the person. You know, the person not they pick. I don't say I say sometimes now them not they pick. Not be saying the thing get problem. because I try am during the week with somebody, the thing just still work. So abeg make if you send request, when I accept am, you too still need to accept am for that side. So na so the our platform dey, we dey talk things wey really make sense. We no dey here dey do saga, dey gossip person. No, if e get topic wey we talk wey be say e come be like say the thing dey too direct to you, and the words wey I use or wey person wey calling use, all those things, e offend you, abeg, I dey always use this, abeg make you try forgive. Say na, you know say wetin happen to you still happen to another person. So if we talk, am might not be say na your own one talk, and sometimes wetin your own story say is your own thing sef, if dem use am teach person, that person no still make mistake. But knowing dem no mention your name, all those things, abeg no take offense. Maybe the way wey dem take talk am, or maybe the person come talk am come laugh, or the way wey I take put am, I no put am well, abeg no vex. Just take am say na sister wey just still make mistake, na your friend, na just mistake. Take the good part wey you go learn from, leave the bad part, because if we start to count mistakes, too much talk dey bring some kind ways, you understand. You know say I dey here now for almost, if not more than 1 hour, so talk don come out. So abeg, anyone wey I talk wey offend you, just jekaroro obi, just still take your hand rub your mind, just see through and say this my sister not talk am well for here, this girl, this small girl not talk am like this way, this my daughter not talk am well, you understand. This my wife not talk am well for here, but I just see through my this side e talk am well, you enter, take that side. Thank you very much, God bless you as you understand. So na so e be o, una wey dey support us, keep on supporting us. You wey just still dey join, may you still stay dey enjoy the thing with us. So to round that up, where I want to talk be say that laziness wey dem dey talk say people lazy for Africa, for abroad, na make some of them not dey make am. That laziness not dey for inside like that. Laziness not dey. Or let's say when you go say person lazy, na like that one why I give example, say some people just need that government help. Just put and say, if you still check, I not see easy o. One way again, that to do that government help, e no easy. When you can't disguise yourself. Oh, I can't remember one thing. No, so I talk as when talk, they plenty things go they come out. Some people, some family members where you know, they carry go right, tell government say then they craze. Mental kolo, say nine then get for brain. May therefore just give them documents. They can't give them craze person documents. Some people will say, hey, this my platform, I don't talk well. I just want let on and know wetin people they go into just to still make am for their abroad. Tomorrow you go come and say na laziness. You can't come and say, hey, you made the maker, you not make am, or who you help, or this and that. No, you go tell government say in brain not correct. And you know when you are in stress, brain no go first still correct when they check am. Some people they carry document of person wey head not correct, just to take get document, make them for fit work. Sometimes make them for fit bring you. May you with Africa for job. Some not marry because then some women time pass them to marry because then they hustle to meet up for family. Some not marry who they suppose marry because then they hustle for family. Some men now then their children be like their great grandchildren just because they want meet up for family. Maybe we appreciate people in abroad. I know say everything for life, not be everybody they good. e get some wey make am wey forget family. I don hear situation like that, but you still check why this person come go to that extent. You can't forget your family. Some, I belong, they wan do make people praise them, they wan do where dem dey do competition with their mates for here for abroad na, they go come forget say dem get problem for home wey dem go solve. So e dey like that. Because if we talk of people in Africa, we will still talk of people there. Now be my own platform. I know they talk one side, and they talk both sides. I don't talk of people there home where the ones where they here. Some waiting they cause the problem again for some of una. That's competition life. You not get money to carry so car, you go carry am. You not get money to leave so house, you go leave am. You dey spend some kind of money on unnecessary dressing, all those kind of things, just because you want do I belong. Wait till you dey work not reach that money. If you get an eat am, because now the one way person spend for him body wey eat, now they carry go. Yes, but if you not get am, you know they come like that. No use all you get because say you want me top. Think. And also, not be all risk then they take. People with that abroad, my talk am. You get age for risk. You get age for risk. One are suffering. People dey home no go die. I get family for home. Me wey dey talk this thing. I love my family so much. The ones wey know. I love my family. I love my friends. Yes. But that one not mean say you go die for person, because nobody wey you can't lie for. You see old man, old woman that will they take some kind useless risk just because say, my pikin dey home, he never chop. My wife dey home, he never chop. My mama, my papa dey home, he never. Your life just dey worthless to you. If you die today, they go live. If you die, they will live. Some forget say they go born. Tomorrow, and they go ask you, why you not born? I owe you. Why you not married? I owe you. But you hold on with those calls. Help me. They busy, they fine. Wanna think of on herself. Wanna sit down sometimes on our way there abroad. Still sit down. Maybe we sit down and think. This is me. Remember your age. Remove all this one where they come Facebook on the right. I'm 29. Some not they ever pass 40. Sit down inside your room. Remember your real age. Remember when you start. How come here they do tomorrow you come they cry. This platform now to remind you. Today now they remind you. Sit down, think your age. They don't they dark as a girl, as a lady, as a woman. You want marry, you don't want be reverend sister. Go they find your life partner now. Don't come out tomorrow say now where they help family. Now he hold you. You be man. It's still the late for man. When you want to train those children, still the late for man, yes. When you want to train those children, help family. Yes, we help family. I love to help my family. I love it. I love to help. But that one not me say you no go take care of yourself. Some go they sick, they still they go work. The next thing you go hear say he just fall for working place, he die. e just dey baff for betting room na e die. I know say death dey come anytime o, but most people wey dey abroad, carelessness na im dey finish us. No dey remember health issue and free health. This thing service dey here free. You go hospital, they will examine you, treat you free. Better doctors dey. No, where you wan go? Where they find money wey you wan send for Africa? Tomorrow they tell you are lazy. That's why you are not sending that much. You not send too much. Help your family is good, but not with your life. Who die, you don't go. If you die, how you want to help them again? If you not dey healthy, how you want to help them again? Use your rule. Use your sense. If you die, another person they will turn go the other side. Another they will find who come dey again. Yeah, that's life goes on. Who die where everybody for a family can just die? Because this person die, all of us go dey kill ourselves. No, not cry. You go just that day maybe you no come eat that day, or 2 days you not eat. The next day they don't time say try eat small. You say man just try eat small now. You don't start to eat oh. You don't drink water oh. You don't start. Till the day when they go put am for ground again, you don't see waka. Hey, you don't finish. Life don't still start. So not be God, not take the position of God for person life. Because get people where this word, they don't tell them this word, it hurts them. It makes some the high blood pressure where they get now, that sickness, high BP where they sick now. This kind of word, I make them say you lazy, I make you never make am. See so person don't make am. You can't they say not true. See this person why I first come abroad for, he don't make am. You can't they think am. Hey, I thank God for the heart where he give me. Even when I just wey be say you know you will go this club, you dey clean toilet for people. I do the work. I will dey clean toilet when people dey for club, they dance, who come in. I do am. Make you see how low person don still go to find money sometimes. Not be for Africa for do am, for abroad. People go there, they dance to me they clean toilet for them. Yeah. People still there, they do up till now. Husband, wives, then they do am. Tomorrow you go come and say the person lazy because money not today inside the work. From that small, you go just say it's okay. Now 50 euro I get myself for you. You say, hey, that one they send 10,000 euro. They send this in now 50 euro. You go fit go inside club, go clean toilets. Where people don't drink, they go just come piece for ground. You go just clean am. Some go even throw up, vomit for themselves. I bet more than leave that. People there abroad there, yeah, I don't see you. Who not go, no. You see who they abroad. Hail am. Hail am. They will come and say, guess not be prostitution that they do. Is where I beg. You get some things where people may they know they just come and they talk. Yeah. Who not go, no. Who not go, no. Now so it just be. Greetings from here. Thank you, sir. God bless you. So I bet more na they try respect people that abroad. You get to, you not get to, may they respect ourselves. Who gets, who not gets, may respect itself because destiny as we still talk, they different. I still talk and say person fit from Africa send money come for who they abroad. They not do and say na compose who they abroad. You send and come. Some go say hey, God forbid. Hey, you get send for your person that abroad will not get. Now life will come. Nobody you create this life. Nobody now God na get am. You get money, your person dey abroad dey suffer, send for am. Send, I come, you no get, may I send you. It must not be say you must pre ten d because say you dey Africa, that one wey dey abroad na im must send. No, you get for Africa, you are doing fine and you know say your person no dey do fine, send am. Na no abomination wey dey there. Hey, abroad, person no go hear word. Say other people make am, na be say the people no make am now come be like say na dem curse am or na this thing. Some don still make am before, dem no make am, e no come dey again. Na that why they talk sometimes some family they will just wreck am down. You come like say that person no just no life to live again. People wey dey abroad, dem live more for those wey dey Africa than themselves. You see this is why I talk. Ask anybody. People wey dey abroad. Or once you don comot from that your hometown, because some people still dey Africa, South Africa, all of them na abroad. E dey South Africa, e dey Dubai, e dey even e come leave Nigeria go Ghana sef, e travel out. Yes, e travel out. Once they don leave that home comot, I no know whether with that family love, that bond, they just, e go be like say you just carry am. Because you no fit, e hard to see person wey dey abroad wey be say no, before you talk one talk to him family matter no enter. But those some of them at home, thank God I no get that kind of family. Some of them at home, they no get that shaken love. You go wan die for here, you dey sleep hell, who know, hell, they no get light. Whether they don eat before they sleep hell, me now don drink tea. Whether they don do like this hell, you go just dey think. Those some of them for Africa na e dey chop this one why they chop now, you go soon finish. I need to find big wey I wan give am. I need to find means wey I go take get. You know dey think whether this one wey e dey there, how lonely e dey. E dey miss us. How e dey now? Nobody thinks about it. How many years this my person don dey, I never see am. How e dey feel? More na pity for people wey dey abroad. Try. Some of them. This way, so more na so. Sorry, say I just dey emotional. Many things wey person don see, wey people dey pass through. Many things. You say you sef go dey ask yourself, why this person no go home? Make you go now. Which kind of suffer be all this? But if you come still think am, you go say if you can't go home like this now, these people no believe say e be try, but e no fit. You go see somebody wey e dey sick bed, hypertension. Upon that, e dey for that bed, you go still dey talk say e family. So na so abeg make the emotion dey too much. So not be laziness make am man, I just understand. Make we dey show love. If you get your person with that abroad, you get a number, call am, tell am say you appreciate the good work wey you don do. Even if you never do, tell am say God go strengthen you to do. Just do am. E go go a long way. Not be only to find opportunity to beg am money. to ask am for something. No. I just get this small credit, I not to get credit. Abeg, we no wear. Abeg, we never chop. Abeg, you no get the credit to ask and say I miss you. Those days, you remember. Give am good memories again. Save credit. Ask her how you dey cope. I swear, I hope people in Africa hears the truth of life in abroad. I hope. Ask her, you don't get documents. How you dey fight for your documents? How your environment? How you get house? How you dey live? You don't pay your rent? Ask like human being now. Then be human being. Oh, be human beings. They need love. They need caring. How your husband dey treat you? How your wife dey treat you? How you dey cope with your children? Nobody to take care, na only you and your wife, or na only you as single mother dey take care of your children. How you dey do am? How you dey cope? You go work, who dey take care of them? All those questions. Single man, how you dey cook? How you fit dey chop? How you say food dey na bar full? No be money take dey buy am. Just small question like this, they go appreciate am. Nights like this, call her. You don come back from work. Oh, welcome though. May you rest, eh? God bless you. I appreciate you. One day you go better. If dem that encouragement, they need am. Who say they just come out for here, come and dey laugh. Need that encouragement. Even if na the one wey dey send well, you still need am. Take am easy, oh, eh? Take am easy. Suffering, risk, eh? Take am easy. God go always dey protect you. You are blessed. You will talk many things, give that person. The one wey never marry, wey be say dey send. Try, you remember. If na man, fine. If na woman, fine. Still dey remind them some things wey be say sometimes they will just still dey carried away with stress. They will dey carried away. Do say am menopause go soon come, oh. Say am sister, you don dey clock 40, oh. Hey, sister, do make you marry, oh. All those kind, brother, you want make your children be like great grandchildren for your eye? Brother, still talk all those things. You go give them life. The one wey be say they get a family for home, you never still come. Oh, na suffering dey call am for money. How? I know say you dey miss us for home. I know say you dey miss your wife for home. I know say you dey miss your husband for home, your children for home. But no worry, e go better, you hear? I know say you dey try, but one day God go do am for you. You go come, eh? No worry. Give encouragement. No be you sure say you never marry for abroad, so this one wey you not come for many years? You go just talk anyhow like that. And this person dey morning and night dey cry when I go see my family for home. If I say my start to talk, this video we go stay here throughout today. So na so the ones wey I not still talk, more na just still reason am. The one wey I talk, more na just still reason am. If you get where e be say I not talk am well, say you suppose talk. When you come across this video, write your own, your experience for abroad. Don dey keep person say e talk in mind. If everybody dey come out dey talk this kind things for abroad, people in Africa go know. We know too dey blame them because they think say na promised land na be this one. Say who don come abroad don reach the promised land. Who don fit succeed comot, especially that Nigeria. Say we don reach promised land. Not to talk of the full Africa sef. They will say you don comot for Africa. Nah, you don go the promised land be that. No, make we still dey let them know the reality. That one not mean say when you get, you no go give, you no send. Hustle, send, give your family. Yes, help people, not only family, friends. Yes, help, but not at your own detriment. Not be the one wey be say you go be like say you use yourself do ritual. You understand that kind thing? God bless you all. The one person wey no read im comment abeg may not vex. Yeah, comments wey don come. He say you said it all. Thank you mama for this topic. You brought a relief to my heart. Mama dey cry. No, I just dey the emotion, oh my god, you understand. So because many things wey person don still see, you know, I just felt for some people and all is well. And so this kind of topic is good once in a while. Mama, please, you talk about parents taking care of their kids in abroad. Okay. He say this person don say I need to talk of parents how they take care of their kids for abroad. Really, that one e no easy o. You know, say I just still throw something like that for inside. Maybe na that time you still write the comments. Yes, we go talk about am. Make you try remind me, because topics people dey bring, talk about this, sometimes I no dey, not be all I just, but I go write down. So so just still remind me this one about how e no easy to take care of children for abroad. I think na wetin dey talk. How e no easy for Africa. You go still get people wey dey help, so we go talk about that one. Much love mama. At least our family in Africa, they will understand what we go through. Yes, na so some go understand. I pray make dem understand. Europe is not easy. Okay, maybe the person dey Europe. Abroad, na me sef put am. Abroad is not easy. It takes only by grace and, as you said, destiny to make it. If not, is as difficult as Africa. You see, so then they support wetin I talk, say e no really still dey easy. If not be grace or destiny, say e still dey difficult to make am. You did make mention of racism too. Okay, racism too. Sometimes the way they racist you make you don't have job. Okay, he say me not even mention the racist part. Sometimes some places, the way they no can't even give you job because say you be black or all those kinds. You know, you say that part now, that racism still dey. They no give you job because say you be black. You know, many things. If we say we start to name am, not be here. So many things they pass through. Not be like Africa, you go just still find, go here, just start business anyhow, anything at all. They say stay. No, this one you go get documents before you start. You go register. You not just go open shop like that. Who born you? I pray. Oh, God bless you. Thank you, ma. This is the best topic I felt in my heart. Good luck and God bless you, ma. Okay, thank you. He said that the best topic wey you feel for your heart. Say I really feel am. Really, this topic really dey emotional. Yeah, if you really dey abroad, you go understand wetin we dey talk. Really, if you dey abroad, you go understand. Say really, this thing e really touch heart. So God bless you. Wanna stay well. Next week we'll still come on live every Sunday. Okay, he said let me read. Yes, so and this one I won't even work. Okay, you see comments where people be don't still write. Say yes, so and those family members won't even work again. They will say they have someone abroad that pluck money from the tree. Yes, na im build those ones. They'll just take and say family member, they will nothing dey happen. everything, all their bills are settled. Thank you, ma, for this topic. I believe it will relieve some stress from people abroad because their family now knows the truth. Yeah, so God bless you, ma, for doing this. Thank you, Loretta. Thank you for always being there. And other people who are not still mentioned name, I thank all of una. God bless una. So I dey see una comment. God bless una. So we will round up today. If you dey abroad or you dey Africa, or just say, God, help me discover my destiny. Lord, help me make I blow where I dey. Make direct you to the right place. Make person not make mistake when it is in abroad, the day wey not dey abroad, or it is say in Africa. You understand? Just like that. Make God just still help all of us. And who still get, remember, help your mate. You know me say the one wey dey abroad na him must help, or the one wey dey Africa na him the no. Who gets among the family, help the other people to rise, and so it be. God bless you. If you still get, you help your friend to rise. You don't know where he will still help you. Always be a giver. They very important. Thank you very much. God bless you all. I see you on our next week. Remain blessed and remain strong and hopeful. Say God always dey there. Since we get life, remember more na dey check on our health. They take care of on our health. They very important. Once a while, still go do check up. E dey good. You understand? I beg. No, not dey forget ourselves. Put yourself first. That's why they say some people are selfish. They will say because say the person too dey talk himself. No, because na yourself na you go do every other thing. So take care of this yourself. They very important. Look good. Look good from inside out. And not to, if you get bad mind, shall I say, even if as I make up like this, say I get bad mind, the person will still sick because bad mind dirty. You can't go put dirty for inside there. So you better get good mind, look good, everything go dey go where for you. Favor go dey come. You understand? So na so you reach me, oh, na me or na sister or na friend or na girl, Breeder Concept for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, na Breeder Concept. For YouTube, na BB Concept. So more na go follow all our platform, and remember say very later, not be now, giveaway go still come again. So na so you just still be. I appreciate. I see they look all of now. See they do well. Thank you. Love you. I appreciate. But God love you more. Stay blessed. Bye.